Welcome to Winday, a no-code platform for creating marketing games. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through creating and publishing a tournament game for prize distribution. Follow this step-by-step guide to easily set up a tournament without the need for coding skills, and engage your audience with competitive fun in just a few minutes. After logging into your Winday account, click the Create Tournament button to start the process. In the first step, choose a game mechanic from options like Draw 3, Match 2, Match 3, Bubble Shooter, or Shooting Range. Each mechanic offers your tournament participants a unique set of rules and gameplay experience. As you select a game, a gameplay preview will appear on the right side to help visualize how it will play out for users. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click Next Step to continue. Next, you'll be taken to the Game Balance and Complexity screen. Since this is a tournament, the only game goal is to reach the score. In a tournament, players aim to score as much as possible and climb the leaderboard to secure top positions and win prizes. Select the game complexity by adjusting the win rate from easy to medium or hard. The win rate determines the game difficulty for users while playing. Easy means they will score more frequently, making it simpler for players to collect points. Medium provides a balanced challenge. Hard makes it more challenging for users to collect points, making the game more competitive. Set the game session time by selecting the duration of 1, 2, or 3 minutes. Once you've made your selections, click Try Game to test your setup. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can go back and adjust your settings. When you're ready with your setup, click Next Step. In Step 3, you'll arrive at the skin selection screen. Here, you can choose a category for your tournament game, such as fashion, food and beverage, health and beauty, children, and many others. Next, select a visual theme within your chosen category. We offer a range of pre-designed graphic themes, but you can also order a custom theme specifically tailored for your brand or event. For instance, let's pick the electronics category and choose the electronics store theme. You'll notice that the game's background and items automatically change to match the theme you've selected. Once you're happy with the look, click Next Step. Now, let's customize your brand appearance. In this step, you can upload your brand logo, explore different color palette options, and manually adjust colors to suit your brand. The game's visual theme will automatically adjust its colors based on your brand logo, ensuring a cohesive look for the tournament game. Once the logo upload is complete, the updated theme colors will appear. You can further fine-tune the palette or choose a completely new one. This flexibility allows you to fully align the game's visuals with your brand identity. If you'd rather not display a logo, you have the option to hide it as well. When you're satisfied, click Next Step to move forward. In Step 5, you'll create an engaging game title and description. These will appear on the game's start screen, helping to set the tone and provide players with the key information they need to get excited and motivated to play. Make sure your message is both informative and enticing, aligning with your brand while encouraging users to jump into the tournament and compete. You can also add a link to your brand's website, enabling users to visit a product page or online store directly from the game. This feature makes it easy for players to explore your offerings during or after their game session. Next, you can upload a custom game icon and background image for the game's start screen. These assets allow you to design a unique and branded appearance for the first impression players will get. While the game comes with default visuals, adding your own custom icon and background can enhance the game's branding and ensure it resonates with your target audience. Once you've completed the step, click Next Step to continue. In Step 6, you can activate and set up the Booster feature, a score multiplier that increases a player's score when enabled, helping players collect more points. If you choose to activate the booster, there are 2 key settings. Multiplier amount controls how much a user's score will be multiplied when the booster is activated. The bigger the multiplier, the more points they earn during the game. Duration after activation specifies how long the booster remains active. The user's score will be multiplied after each game session during this period. Next, you'll configure codes that activate boosters. There are 2 options: upload pre-existing codes or generate new codes using Winday. Let's start with the Upload Codes option. If you already have codes, specify how many codes you want to upload and select the corresponding file from your computer. To ensure everything is structured correctly, you can download one of our template files that includes examples of the format for the codes. Now, for the Generate Codes option, you can create new codes directly in Winday. Specify the number of codes you need, the code length, and choose the format your system supports. Additional formatting settings are available for more advanced code formats. Once you're done, click Generate Codes, and Winday will create a new batch of codes. You'll see the list of generated codes on the right side. Review them and download the list for easy integration with your CRM system. For more information on using booster codes to enhance your campaign and impact user retention and sales, visit our Help Center. Once this step is complete, click Next Step to proceed. In Step 7, you'll create rewards for the tournament. Rewards are distributed to players who achieve top rankings, motivating them to compete for the best prizes. First, let's set up the reward for first place. Select a visual representation for the reward and write a compelling description. You also have the option to include custom information on how the reward will be claimed. After the tournament ends, the reward will be automatically emailed to the winner. Next, repeat the process to add rewards for second and third places. These two rewards are mandatory and must be added to ensure that top competitors are appropriately recognized. Optionally, you can create a single reward for players finishing from fourth place onward. This reward will be given to all participants who rank from fourth place up to a specified position. As you configure the rewards, check the preview of the tournament start screen on the right to ensure everything is displayed correctly. Once you're satisfied, click Next Step to proceed to the final step of tournament game creation. In this step, you'll configure the campaign's duration and set the end conditions. First, choose the start date and time for your tournament. This ensures your tournament goes live exactly when you're ready to engage your audience. Next, define the end date and time for the tournament. The game will automatically end at the specified time. If you're unsure about the campaign duration or how the tournament will perform, don't worry. You can always adjust the settings later. Once you've set your preferences, click the Next Step button to proceed to the game confirmation screen. In this final step, you'll have the chance to review all the tournament settings you've configured. Double-check the details, test the game to ensure everything looks and functions as intended, and if necessary, you can go back and make any adjustments. Once you're satisfied with everything, click the Publish button to finalize the setup and make your tournament live. Congratulations! Your tournament has been successfully published and is now ready to be shared with your participants. In the pop-up, you'll immediately see two distribution options. Share the tournament link directly with your audience. Use the auto-generated QR code for quick and easy promotion. Once you close the pop-up, you'll be taken to the tournament details screen, where additional publishing options are available. Website integration to embed the tournament on your site. Mobile app integration for in-app participation. Publishing to your custom domain by syncing with your CNAME. From this screen, you can also directly access game analytics to monitor and track valuable participant data, helping you optimize your tournament's performance. Now that your tournament is live, start sharing and engaging your audience. Good luck, and we look forward to seeing your campaign's success. Thank you for watching our step-by-step video tutorial on creating a tournament game on Winday. For more tutorials and resources, visit our Help Center or YouTube channel. If you have any questions or need support, don't hesitate to contact our dedicated support team. We're here to help you succeed with your Winday experience. Happy gaming!